Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video we will be walking through some glaciers and landslide portions to reach Thagnak. So let's enjoy this video. Good morning from Gokyo. Today we are heading towards Thagnak. Thagnak is also called as Thagnak. Just after climbing from the top of Gokyo, you see this view towards Thagnak. It's a steep down path, a little bit slippery. This here is a rockfall area, rockfall zone. You can see some of the rocks falling down there. This here is a very dangerous spot, lots of rockfall we have been seeing. So you should hurry up from this area. The way down from there was an interesting path, because it was all loose slippery rocks, and also from the side you have lots of rock falls. To reach Thagnak, we are walking through the glaciers, as you can see around. All the way from Gokyo to Thagnak, you will be walking all over the glaciers, and also there are lots of dangerous spots where you have rockfall area. So you should not stop and move as fast as possible. It's 10:30 now, and it took us 2.5 hours to arrive at Thagnak. and we were taking lots of photos and videos. That is one of the reason, but usually it takes 2 to 3 hours to arrive at this spot from Gokyo. There are around 6 to 7 lodges in Thangnak. नमस्कार भाई जी।
नमस्कार।
4 लोगों के लिए है जगह? घड़ी रखे साफ पूरा बर्तन 4 लोगों के लिए है?
4 लोगों के लिए है।
क्या है भाड़ा वगैरह?
भाड़ा वगैरह तो
फ्री है। खाने का पैसा लगेगा?
खाने का तो बहुत लगेगा।
So stay is free, food is very expensive. We guys are staying at Mountain Paradise, and this couple here is the owner. They have said us that the stay is free, and so this is the room. Sushant bro, yo. So we do not need to pay anything for the rooms, but the food will be quite costly, I think. And look at this amazing view. Oh my god, we could just stay here forever. It looks so beautiful. But the altitude, it is 4,700 meter, and yeah, that's something that hits your head. So today we are starting from Thagnak to Zongla, and we will be crossing the Chola Pass. So it's 5:30 a.m. now. Yesterday night we ordered for the breakfast and packed lunch, so we get it as early as possible and start before the snow melts on the glacier. So we are all set. Let's go and explore the toughest day of our trip. This is going to be the toughest day because we will be doing approximately 650 meter of elevation gain, and the highest point today will be 5,400 meters at Chola Pass.